Marley, say, ready.
Ready.
So we decided that we wanted to spend Christmas by family, around family, and thought it would be nice to spend it in the cold. I'm like, it sounds weird that I'm saying that.
Yeah, so we were at Lake Mead. We had decorated the bus a little bit. We had put some lights up. We had some bells. We got this tiny little Christmas tree that I fell in love with. And maybe partly because it was reminiscent of our Christmas in Costa Rica from 2 years ago. And we had this tiny little branch of a tree. So we loved that we had this little tree. We were totally fine with it being small. No problems with that. And then we had stockings and lights and a few garlands and things. So it was fun, made it feel a little festive in here. And then of course our kids are, you know, the perfect age that they're just like so excited about Christmas, and the hype was real and they were counting down the days. We made it up north. Well, we mailed letters in Henderson, Nevada. We stuck some letters in the mail at the post office to Santa.
What does it say? Oh, ouch.
Dear Santa, can you bring me a bike? Mom.
Whoa, where's it going?
It's going to Father.
Marley, where's your letter? Oh no! Zoe, where's your letter?
Is yours going to Father Christmas?
Oh, there it is. Father Christmas. Oh, where's your letter?
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Oh, and that might be all I need. It's just you here with me. Oh, and Christmas time, oh how it flies. Don't let it pass.
Alright. Alright, Zoe, you put yours in.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 1, 2, 3, 5 golden.
Marley, where's yours at? Did we leave it in the bus?
Yeah.
I think so.
12 shepherds drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies
I'll look it up.
maids a milking, 7
Yo, what time is it?
Drive time.
Where are we going?
Back home to see Johnny and Grandpa.
Who's excited? I had wanted to decorate the bus to make it just a little bit more like festive. We had the inside, and then I wanted to put some lights on, kind of maybe even in the inside, and also some on the outside. We thought about driving it around, actually up north on our trek, and then as I did some research, that's actually kind of a no-no. So scoured everywhere. Christmas lights were sold out everywhere. But finally able to find some.
When I go outside, I want it white, cold and gray skies feel like winter to me. Oh, I love California, but I need to feel the freeze. I just want Christmas morning the way it used to be. Oh, give me snow, give me snow, give me snow. Let it fall on me in the city streets. Oh, give me snow, give me snow, give me snow. 'Cause a little winter season is what I need. It's
few days to cram in as much kind of family time and festivity time as we wanted to build up. And went and saw lights, spent time together as a family.
Zoe!
Thursday of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Oh, and that might be all I need is just you here with me. Oh, in Christmas time, oh how it flies. Don't let it pass you by.
So funny story. So we made it up here Christmas Eve. I didn't want to cook, so we were like, okay, we're gonna go out to dinner, and we couldn't find anywhere that was open that had capacity for us and things. And so we found this local Indian restaurant, and we were like, all right, let's do it. It's it's a unique Christmas experience, and it'll be memorable, and it'll be fun, and it'll probably be yummy too. We'd never eaten Indian food together as a family, so like, let's do it. So it was fun, and it was delicious too. And on the way home, and then we went to see Candy Windows downtown, and then on the way home, Crew fell asleep, and we got back to the bus, and he was so grumpy. He was so grumpy. And we were like, what is going on? He should be so happy because tomorrow morning is Christmas. And meanwhile, Zoe was like busying herself with like the buzz of like, I'm gonna get like cookies ready for Santa. I'm gonna get carrots for the reindeer. You know, she was just like giddy and is excited and buzzing around, while he is just throwing a fit and having a meltdown. And we're like, what is going on? And he's like, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna like what Santa brings because I don't want a bike anymore. And he's like, I want them. We're like, okay, well, what do you want? And he's like, I want Legos. And I'm like, well, you're getting some presents from Mom and Dad too, so I think you're in luck. And he's like, no, I won't like that. You know, just like distraught and beside himself. So we try and like get him in bed and everything. And then he's in bed and he's like still just beside himself. I don't want a bike and I don't want Legos. I don't want anything from Santa. And he was like, actually, I just want gold. Like, okay. So gold, like gold
Bricks.
coins?
Bricks of gold.
Like, okay, gold. And then he changed his mind right before, like, finally going to sleep for the night, that he just wanted to play with his cousin, who he's obviously missed, for 200 hours. Then he was like, or at least 200 minutes. So.
Yeah.
But he woke up Christmas morning, happy as can be, and he got what he wanted. Not the gold, but he got the bike, he got the Legos, he got to play with his cousin for 200 minutes.
Yep.
One thing that is really unique that we've never had in any of our Christmases is that we literally sleep in the same little bunk area. I mean, we do have a room that separates our bedroom, but we've never been like just a few feet away from our kids when they wake up on Christmas morning. So it was fun for us to be laying awake and then hear, like, you know, the movements and rustling in their beds as the kids were getting out of their bunks, and then like peek out our door as they like scamper out of their beds excitedly, and then like watch Marley, she was the last to wake up, kind of like sleepily toddle out of her bed, and just to see their excitement, it was so magical and it was so fun. I just love how that magic is so real, and so it doesn't matter where you are, and it's just simple and it's sweet, and it doesn't matter what your Christmas looks like, whether your tree is big or, I mean, I said this in our Costa Rica video, but it's just fun to see the magic of Christmas come alive in the eyes of a child and in your hearts. So it's fun.
What is it?